Hey there, Vicky Lou here. Thanks so much for taking a look at our printable recipe cards and templates. We're super excited to be able to offer this. We've been sending out our cake kits since 2012 all over Australia, and I know we have lots of international fans, and so I'm really excited to be able to offer you the opportunity to use our designs. All you need to do is head to the digital download section, choose your cake, go through the cart, and you'll receive an email, and that email will have your downloads. You'll receive your template, which will come in letter or A4 size so that you're able to print it out easily at home. You could do that on normal paper or on tracing paper. And then you'll also receive your tutorial on how to make your cake. So on the front of that tutorial, you'll find out the size of cake that you need, the size of display board you need, and all the ingredients that you will need to make your cake with your fondants and cutters, and also a little sheet that shows you all the different cutters that we use at Cake to the Rescue as a guide for finding what you need. If you flip that recipe card over, on the back you'll find a step-by-step guide of decorating your cake. It's going to have instructions, and it's also going to have great color photographs of step-by-step just to make it that bit easier. If you don't know a lot about us, we pride ourselves on creating designs that are achievable for people who aren't bakers every day. And you don't have to be a pastry chef or a hobby caker to make our kits. They're designed to make it easy for everyone to achieve so that we can all look damn good on that birthday.